Assalamualaikum class. I'm Sabahatakan. Hope you guys are doing well. Today, the topic we got on discussion is social behavior. As my group member told you in their videos that what is social behavior, what are its types, what determines social behavior, what is social behavior in psychology, what are positive behavior, does social behavior affect learning, what is antisocial behavior, and what are the examples of social behavior. Now we will discuss what is social interaction and the importance of social behavior. As we know, behaviors comes in many forms like eating, reading, shooting, dancing, learning, etc. So, what is social interaction? Social interaction is a dynamic changing sequence of a social action between individuals who modify their actions and reactions due to the actions by the interactions partners. In other words, there are events in which people attach meaning to a situation, interpret what others are meaning, and respond accordingly. So we can say as interactions include a large number of behaviors. Differentiation of social interaction. We may define as number 1 accidental, also known as social contact, not planned and likely to not repeated. For example, asking a stranger for directions or shopkeeper for product availability. Second one repeated, that is non-planned, bound to happen from time to time. For example, accidentally meeting a neighbor from time to time when walking to a street. Third one regular, that is not planned but very common, likely to raise question when missed, meeting a doorman or a security guard every workday in your workplace, dining every day in the same restaurant, etc. Fourth one, regulated, that is planned and regulated by customs or law, will definitely raise a question when missed, interaction in a workplace, that is coming to work and staff meetings. So there is a picture, we can some app logo. So there must be a question that how we can show our behavior by using these apps. The answer is simple. We can show our behavior with our soft communication skills. If we are good at communication skills, then we can attract the attentions of the other party. Importance of social behavior. What is the importance of social behavior? Well, it depends on who is asking. From a psychological point of view, social behavior helps to promote our emotional well-being. From the point of view of those who look for social order in our society as a whole, social behavior is desirable generally because it means that people will cooperate and that system can run effectively. That is true if we have a good behavior and we interact with the people nicely, then our surrounding people will always appreciate us and will always praise us by our good behavior. Behavior attract more proud than a beauty, that is true. If we don't have a charming personality but have a good behavior, then you attract the more proud than a beauty. People get to know your inner goodness and qualities when you interact with them in a good way or show a pleasant behavior towards them. If we have a good behavior, if we want to meet someone, if we are good at behaving properly, then people want to know more about them, then people want to sit with them, then people want to talk with them. Behavior is important as it shapes our personality and helps us in building a good character. You develop the skills of good communication and learn how to maintain a decor in the room while being with another hundreds of people in a room. You actually learn to present yourself in a better way for the other person to understand you and you to be able to understand them. Basically, if you have a good behavior, if you are good at behavior and you who behave with the other people properly nicely, then that's mean you have a good character, then you keep good character. When we behave properly, people would actually want to be around us and then that would make them feel comfortable and they would open up and share their thoughts and opinions with us. It simply gets you to be a better person. That is actually true. When we behave properly, everyone want to know about us. Everyone want to be with us. Everyone want to be your friend. If you are a good person, if you behave harshly, if you behave are not according to the person that are demanding, then the people don't want to sit with you, then the people want to meet with you, then people want to make you as your friend. So the next according to this, one who doesn't know how to behave has no friends. The one who speak harshly, then the one who used to be arrogant, ironic all the way, then he has no more friends. So I would like to end my presentation with that. I think we certainly benefit from social institutions which encourage us towards moral behavior. It's very important to have law. It's very important to have moral education. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question in your mind, then you can ask freely.